BTech, Aerospace, Aeronautics, relate to helicopter, aeroplanes, సంబంధించిన ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అండి. This is a 4 years engineering program related to design, manufacturing and maintenance of aeroplanes and helicopters. This program, one is two as student prefer. One is affordability, other is quality of education. The affordability, see, the 4 years program including accommodation, tuition fees and all together 11 to 12 lakhs one student can complete. It's almost in par with any even Indian reputed Indian institutions also charging same. But the standard wise, if you look at, the university is basically research oriented, design oriented university. It's already designed a number of highly competitive aeroplanes, highly sophisticated aeroplanes of passenger type, cargo type, helicopters, and have a wide experience in the space industry, space technology. The advantage with that is how the total technology, easily can be transferred to the prospective students. That's the only possible reason the professors, the lecturers who work are working in the field of designing. So because of that reason, technology, student reaches the right knowledge. So later, it can be applied wherever you go and work. Or otherwise, you can do his higher studies anywhere in the world. After doing here, you can go to Germany, you can go to US, like many are doing. And our own student who has finished his MTech there, now he has applied for PhD. This real technology is there. The people are there. So it is up to the student to grab the opportunity. There, from AP alone around some 35 students are there in UG and PG level. But now this time, a lot of awareness is coming, and we expect many students will go, because it's a lack of awareness basically. The lack of awareness. So it has to go through your medium.